If you wanted to start running a crypto node today, where would you even begin? Because once you understand that nodes can generate rewards, the next challenge becomes much more practical. How do you actually set one up without making expensive mistakes? The first thing to understand is that not every node requires the same level of commitment. Some networks, like Ethereum, require a significant upfront stake to run a validator, while others allow you to participate with less capital or through delegated setups. That means your entry point depends on both your budget and your technical experience. At the most basic level, running a node means operating a server that is online 24/7. This can be a physical machine or a cloud-based server. The key requirement is reliability. If your node goes offline, you can miss rewards or even face penalties depending on the network. Next comes the software. Each blockchain has its own client that you need to install and configure. This is what connects your node to the network and allows it to validate transactions. While this might sound complex, many projects are improving their documentation and making the setup process more accessible. Then there's staking. For validator nodes, you usually need to lock up tokens as collateral. This aligns your incentives with the network. But it also means you need to carefully choose the project you're committing to. This is where most beginners go wrong. They focus too much on the setup and not enough on the network itself. But as we discussed before, the real returns come from being positioned in strong ecosystems with real adoption and growth potential. Another option for beginners is delegation. Instead of running your own node, you can delegate your tokens to an existing validator and still earn a share of the rewards. This lowers the technical barrier, but also reduces your control and potential upside. So what's the best approach? Start simple. Understand how one network works. Learn how rewards are generated. And only scale once you're confident in both the technical side and the fundamentals of the project. Because running a node isn't just a technical decision, it's a strategic one. And the people who treat it that way are usually the ones who benefit the most in the long run.